In Wales, you'll see our inspiring landscapes. Our land and seas have a distinctive quality that add a sense of place to what you can taste. Blue may be the colour that binds our regional postcode, but in black and white the Arms Park's a world away from Sardis Road. These mountains stand tall like US skyscrapers. Our rivalry is as regular as results in local papers. It's pride in our farmers that get it just right. It's pride in our country. It's Wales in each bite.
Codwch a llamwch, pob bro a'i afonydd. And it's no surprise that birth rhymes with earth, but we're grown-ups now and we need to act on it.
We find what's already there, what's always been there, and what's new. Beth sy'n newydd. We're here to show you what we can make you see. Those things that pique your interest, from city streets to the crest of waves. O'r dŵr y pridd a'r tir I bob dinas, tref a chartre. And so together, to say diolch on St. David's Day, from us to you, here's a Cwtch, o ni I chi. Happy St. David's Day from Food and Drink Wales.